So this week I received a great question from an agent of mine. It said, Willie, what's the best closing gift I can give to my client? And I talked to him about how over the years I've given out hundreds and hundreds of closing gifts. But I share with him a book that I read a few years ago that's titled Giftology. And it's by a guy by the name of John Rulin. And he talked about any type of gift that you give to a client, you want it to be where they feel it's one of a million, right? Versus one of a million. And I think about some of the things that I used to give out in the past, like this wine bottle here, or a champagne bottle. But this wine bottle has my name on it, Willie Miranda, Private Reserve. I mean, I don't even know how to make wine, right? But I know how to drink it, but I don't know how to make it. But once it's consumed, it's gone. Think about the gift cards, right? All the different gift cards. My wife reminded me we have 20 different gift cards here that we need to use. So if anyone wants to go to dinner, let me know. But again, some of these, I don't even know who they came from because they never put their name on it. But again, once it's consumed, it's gone. So John talked about in his book that you want the gift to be something that's not just a blip on a radar, but actually an artifact that people will keep in their home. So over the years, I've given out some Cutco knives that's personalized with the client's name on it, whether it be this little spreader here, or maybe it's a carving kit. You can get these for under $100. Maybe it's in a little cheese board here, cutting board that you can actually give to them with their name on it, maybe their family's name on it as well. This is something that I just gave out recently over the last year. We've been giving out through Snapfish. There's a great little book because we have all the sellers' professional photos. At closing, I'm actually able to go through and give them all the different photos that we took of their home in a nice book signed by me. And I'm 5 for 5 so far on this, of giving this to clients and having the clients just be so emotionally taken back and even have cried a few times because this is something that, again, is very emotional, right? Selling a home is emotional. Where we look at it more as a business transaction. So you want to definitely have your closing gifts not be so promotional and not branded, but more emotional. Now, it's not to say that you can't give them little promotional items, but if you really want a true gift that they're going to keep for the forever, you want to make sure that it's something that's more personalized to them. This is a bottle opener that I had as well. And again, it goes on and on. I had one client that I had that traveled a lot. So we got him a black leather bag with his initials on it. And that was something that 15 years later, he still has today. So the list goes on and on. So if you like to get the actual instructions on how to do this, you can put this Snapfish book together for like less than 20 bucks. No, probably about $25 with a promo code. I have all the directions, the 3-page directions that I have for you. All you have to do is just go below, put your email in there, and I'll be more than happy to send this to you by the end of the week. But also make sure that you like our page, the Ultimate Success, Real Estate Success Blueprint. Make sure you're liking that page as well so we can give you more items in the future. So I hope you like this video. I hope you make your closing gifts more emotional versus personal and promotional. And if I can ever be of help to you in your real estate business to help you sell more homes, please reach out to me, send me a text, send me a messenger, and I'd be more than happy to help you. Let's go get them this week.